Thank you all for being here tonight.
It's a June night in Waukesha, and the focus of this gubernatorial candidate forum is the criminal justice system.
That express our compassion and respect for all people.
One of the speakers is Melissa Luden, a former incarcerated person who represents a group called EXPO.
EXPO, we stand for EX-Incarcerated People Organizing. We are actually a group of formerly incarcerated men and women throughout the state of Wisconsin that looks to end mass incarceration for men and women here and also nationally. We also work to end the discrimination against formerly incarcerated people and then working those people back home to full participation in their communities.
EXPO, a project of the organization Wisdom, is using a grant from the Wisconsin Partnership Program to improve health by improving the criminal justice system. Jerome Dillard, the lead organizer of EXPO, has seen the public health implications of being incarcerated.
In our state, you don't have to commit a new crime to be locked back up or even to go to prison. The chronic stress is something that impacts the entire family. That's why we did the health impact assessment around crimeless revocations. The fact is, crimeless revocations take individuals most of the time who are breadwinners in the home and reincarcerate. It's a domino effect on the families, and to change that alone would be huge.
Dr. Joff Swain at the University of Wisconsin School of Medicine and Public Health has studied the health impact of incarceration and crimeless revocations.
If you're under supervision and you're chronically worried about the risk of having that supervision revoked and being sent back to prison, those stress hormones are going to stay high, and it's bad for your health. It gets under your skin and affects all these circumstances in your body, these systems. The same thing is happening to family members because spouses are chronically worried. Is that spouse or partner going to be sent back to prison? The same thing is happening to kids. And having a parent sent to prison is one of the 10 adverse childhood experiences that people are all concerned about these days about kids. It has very powerful long-term impacts.
It's my hope that the WPP grant that we receive will continue to help us build our chapters, build our infrastructure, that we can get the stories out there and continue to evaluate the health impact on this population.